In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your LinkedIn username in just about 5 minutes. First, let's begin by heading over to the LinkedIn website. Once there, you can sign into your account in one of two ways, either by using the handy sign in with Google option, or by continuing with your LinkedIn account details. And don't be surprised if you're prompted to complete a CAPTCHA. It's just an extra step LinkedIn takes for additional security. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll notice your profile photo. This is your gateway to accessing your LinkedIn username, but before we dive into that, let me take a moment to emphasize the importance of this step. Your LinkedIn username is a key element of your professional identity on the platform. It's not just a part of your profile URL, it represents you in the digital professional world. Now go ahead and click on your profile photo. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Look for the View Profile option and select it. This will take you to your LinkedIn profile page, a comprehensive overview of your professional life, including your experiences, skills, and, of course, your profile URL. Speaking of profile URLs, this brings us to our final step in finding your LinkedIn username. Your username is in fact the last part of your profile URL. Take a look at the top of your browser window. Your profile URL should be visible there. It typically reads something like www.linkedin.com/in/your-username. The segment after /ye, that's your LinkedIn username. And there you have it. Locating your LinkedIn username is as simple as that. Remember, your username is more than just a string of characters. It's a part of your professional branding, so make sure it reflects your professional identity accurately. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you ever need to change your username for any reason, LinkedIn does allow you to edit your profile URL directly from the profile editing section. This can be particularly useful if your name changes or if you're rebranding yourself professionally. Thanks for joining me today. Hopefully this guide has made finding your LinkedIn username straightforward and hassle-free. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks that can enhance your online professional presence.